Thank you so much once again for choosing to follow my YouTube channel. I am Chilis. Thank you so much for your comment, for your contribution, for your positive response to all my inputs politically and life in general. I am Chilis again, ngiyanibingelela channel yami. Well, again, namhlanje I want just to look at something engangakhuluma ngayo kwi-podcast. Kwakhona ke abakhombisa ukuthi they want to hear more about this. Ngake ngakhuluma nge-community data information ukuthi ke iyini community data information nokuthi ibaluleke ngani isiza kuphi uyi-collecta kanjani. It is what I'm going to look at today. Angiqale ke ngokuthi kule weekend esuka kuyona kade ngi-invite somewhere and ngatholana nomunye umfowethu lapha after ngiqeda ukukhuluma wathi ibafo wasiza kakhulu ngaleya clip ye-community data information. Ngiyithathile ngifuna ukusiza iward yami ngayo ukuthi mase kuya kuma election at least bakwazi ukuthi babe ne-information egcwele. Let me tell you this, you cannot be a leader or a councillor in a ward that you are clueless of. Awazi ukuthi i-population yakhona ithini, awazi ukuthi unezikole engaki, awazi ukuthi unama-joint amangaki, awazi ukuthi unama-tavern amangaki, awazi ukuthi unamasonto amangaki, awazi ukuthi unezikole ezingaki, ama-school dropouts mangaki, ama-ex-convicts ababuye ejele bangaki. So you are just clueless about your community. You cannot lead that community well without having a community data information. You see, so it's so unfortunate ukuthi izinto ezifana nalezi nobody is talking about them, nobody is developing them. Umuntu owaqhamuka no program obizwa ngokuthi usukuma sakhe lento esibiza ngama war room la KZN. Lo muntu wayeqhamuke nento eyayizoba i-solution to build a strong community, but unfortunately yawela ezandleni zabantu nje who doesn't care. Ngangokuthi u-war room ugcine sewuphenduka into yama-CCGs. Ama-CCGs obanika onompilo laba osisi bethu abahambela emakhaya besiza abantu abagulayo begulela emakhaya. Ugcina ke u-war room sekuyindawo yabo yokugcwala bona beletha ama-report. Kahle kahle u-war room usukuma sakhe kwakumele kube indawo la kuhlala khona ama-stakeholders, abantu abarepresenta imphakathi kuma-position e-leadership, ube nomkhandlu wenkosi, ube abasebenza ka-health, ube nabasebenza ka-home affairs, ube namaphoyisa, ube nabefundisi, ube nabaka-sports abamele i-youth, abamele ama-non-profit organizations. Kufuze ngabe ukhuluma ngosukuma sakhe ukhuluma ngento enjalo. That is how you can set up yourself so that you can collect what I call community data information. Udinga ukuzakhela i-structure emphakathini wakho esihlanganisa lama-stakeholders engikubalele wona. Abefundisi, abezempilo, amaphoyisa nanani. Bonke labantu laba abahlala kulomphakathi wakho abenza lemsebenzi bazokwenza into sort of i-committee. This is not a political structure. This is a community structure of leaders, ama-stakeholders. Yabona? Hlanganisa abefundisi, hlanganisa omunye mhlambe wa retire ka teaching where uprincipal, omunye wayesebenza emaphoyiseni. Qoqa bonke labo bantu labo bazohlangana babe yikomiti lama elders a leader le community, right? Now, uzogcina ke lapho sewunesimo sokuthi kulomphakathi wakho uyazi ukuthi zingaka izingane ezama graduate e-university ezingawuthola umsebenzi ezihlala khona la kwi-local, wazi nama-skills eziwaphethe kubhalwe phansi, right? Uyazi ukuthi unezikole ezingaki ezinomthamo omngaka wama-students, so that you will understand and know if there is a need of having another high school in your community. Because uthola ukuthi enye inkinga izikole, uthola isikole i-high school i-1 kwi-community, population seyikhulile yankulu, lesikole sisakwazi ukuthwala zonke lengane. Izingane seziyabhayiza ke manje ziyakwamanye ama-communities ziyohlala emqashweni asakhuliswa ngaphansi kwesandla sabazali. Nje esikoleni sekugcwele, esikoleni sekugcwele. Why? It's because there is nobody who collects community data information. Akwazi ukushesha sitshene ukuthi hayibo sesinenkinga, i-population yethu seyihambe yafika la, therefore sinama challenges awu-1 no-2 no-3. Khumbula kuqala ukuthi wawuthi mawuzobekwe endaweni kuphuma umphakathi, ama-leaders omphakathi eze kule ndawo. Why? Bafuna ukwazi ukuthi uzobekwa kule ndawo nje usukaphi, ususuyini la usuka khona, unezingane ezingaphi, zenzani izingane zakho ukuze ungazosilethela i-chaos emphakathini wethu. But today we've got communities whereby kwaqhamuka le system le eqhamuke nalohulumeni ongenandaba nabantu wakha ama-RDP houses everywhere. Uthola ukuthi now kunalama mushrooming communities. Lama communities ayayifanela nemjondolo because lana uthola ukuthi there is no proper structure that is leading this community. Kumele kube nekhansela kuphela nje. Yabo. Now uzothola ukuthi kuzosuka umuntu wekade boshiwe wesivili akuyena wala kule ndawo waseNandi. Athi sehlalile ejele umphakathi wakhe awumfuni eNandi. Avela suka ngene ko Facebook aqomane nentombi ehlala kulama communities engiwashowa oma RDP houses. Uyasuka umuntu uyaphuma uyasayinelwa uyaphuma uzohlala la. Kulo mphakathi lo mphakathi awumazi every day uma uhamba emgaqweni ngakini uhlangana nomuntu obonayo nje ukuthi ngiyaqala ukumbona lo. But remember kudala obaba bakudala awuthi uma uhamba emgaqweni uhlangana nomuntu athi sawubona wengane yami konje ngizothi wakabani. That was information. Yabo lo mama osuke kubuza ukuthi wakaba uqoqe information kahle kahle. Futhi kwakubalekile to live as a community we have to know each other. Wazi ukuthi emphakathini wakho nabantu abadisable abahamba ngama wheelchair abawu7 so that maqhamuka uxhaso lama wheelchair already you know ebhukwini lakho eline community data information ukuthi unabantu abawu7 abadinga ama wheelchair. Makuza iproject yokwakhelwa abantu izindlu yazi ukuthi unezindlu kumele zakhiwe ezo specialize noma ezo focus kubantu abadisable abahamba ngama wheelchair because izindlu zabo ziba special, right? So without having community information yakuzuyilide kahle community. Even ngisho kuqhamuka iproject yamanzi uzofakwa amanzi emphakathini awazi nokuthi bangako plumber nabo emphakathini abanamaphepha abaqualified. Ima uzoqala ugibela imoto kamasipala nombhobho memezele sicela bonke oplumber bezeholo khombisa ukungahleleki lokho. But if bewuhlelekile wena ungabe une information ephelele. Ama-ward committee ngeke ayenze lento. Ama-ward committee ngeke ayenze lento because lento leyo collect community data information idinga abantu abane skill esithize. Manje nina ama-ward committee nifaka abantu ngoba naku besemaqhenjini enu ezepolitiki not because bene capacity noma be able ukuthi bangakwazi ukuseva ama-VDs abo correctly ngokwazi uqoqa information. Bazi nje ukuthi kule area yami nginogogo abangaka nginomkhulu abangaka nginemize engaka ama household angasebenzi umuntu nginezingane ema early pregnancy school dropout ezingaka ex convict ababuye ejele abangaka nginama joint amangaka kwi VD yami nginamasonto amangaka blah 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 sport facilities amangaka. You don't have that because as abantu abamnyama we don't produce leaders. Siphakamisa abantu abazoseba interest yabantu abathize. We are not producing leaders. Iyona inkinga yethu leyo ezabantu abamnyama. So ke masikhuluma ngecommunity data into ongayenza ngalendlela ke engikuvezele yona. Qoqa abantu abadala emphakathini abane experience abefundisi akade besebenza emaphoyiseni abade behonompilo laba seba retire nurse udokotela as long as ehlala kule community babe ingxenye yale structure. Mase sikhona le structure nithathe i-youth izonidilela ne-paperwork in collect le yonke le information. Senibuyela ke manje iward yonke nihlukanise ngama-VDs kwi-VD ne-VD delegate abantu abambe beqoqa le information niba task ukuthi wena umsebenzi wakho ukudila ne-youth. Kwi-youth nazi izinto esidinga ukuthi usiqoqele zona. Bangaka abantu abangasebenzi, bangaka abaneskill, bangaka abanama qualifications, bangaka ama school dropouts, bangaka ama drug addicts, bangaka ama ex convicts abuye ejele blah blah blah. Kanjalo khona omelo gogo. Lo melo gogo uyazi ukuthi bangaka ogogo abashawa i-stroke abahamba ngama wheelchair, bangaka abahola impatient, bangaka abanenkinga ama ID, bangaka njalo. So that uzokwazi ukuthi ucreate ama sports nezinto ze entertainment for abantu abadala. And so on. Without community data information, you cannot lead your community well. I am Chilis, your man that gives you wisdom. Continue to follow me and listen and like my videos and comment and share my videos. Ikhona ke ku TikTok as Chilis SA, abanye benu ningazele khona vele. Facebook Chilis SA, X Chilis SA, YouTube channel Chilis SA. Danko.